This is a What's in the Box video for TransAmerica by Rio Grande Games. I believe it's a 2 to 6 player game, and it's pretty short. It's kind of, and this is the very old edition, so if you have a newer edition, it may look different. There's the one-page rule sheet. I guess it's front and back. Pretty simple. The map, which I'm not going to unfold, but I'll show you some of the artwork. I think it looked pretty good especially for its day and age. The tracks that you're building, I guess, or the connections, along with the different player colors. And then the cards, which give you, if I remember right, they tell you where you need to connect. So you'll get like a selection of cards. This is it's kind of like a light version of Ticket to Ride, like an even lighter Ticket to Ride. So there you have it. That is what's in the box for TransAmerica. If you enjoyed this video, please like and please subscribe. Thank you.